Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to find trending movie trailers on YouTube. Why would you want to know how to find trending movie trailers on YouTube? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to find trending movie trailers on YouTube. So today I am going to show you how to find trending movie trailers on YouTube. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Finding trending movie trailers on YouTube is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write youtube.com in search bar. Here is the interface of YouTube. Now you are seeing three lines in top left section. Click on it. Scroll down. Here you are seeing trending videos. Click on it. Now you are seeing four buttons at the top. Click on movies. From here you can find all trending movies and their trailers. There you go. If you wanted to know how to find trending movie trailers on YouTube, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.